Good morning children, welcome to online class. In the previous class I had given assignment. Now take and check your answers. Last class we learnt about adjectives and its types. Let's take a look on them. What are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. The words which describe the noun. Now let's go through the types of adjectives. First one, adjectives of quality. Tells about what kind. Next one, adjectives of quantity. Tells about how much. Adjectives of number tells about how many. Demonstrative adjectives point out to noun. This, that, these and those are the demonstrative adjectives. Possessive adjectives shows possession or ownership. Interrogative adjectives. The words which start with WH and usually ask the question are known as interrogative adjectives. Distributive adjective. It refers to each one of a number. Next one, proper adjectives. It specifies some country peoples. Okay children, in this class we are going to learn comparison of adjectives. First let us see what is comparison of adjectives. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called comparison of adjectives. There are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Today we are going to see positive degree. Positive degree is used to refer one object, person or place without making any comparison. There are some rules to identify positive degree in a sentence. Let us see them through an example. Shankar is a tall boy. Here we are talking only about Shankar and not comparing him with anybody. So, if an adjective in a sentence does not compare anything is known as positive degree. Next example, Shankar is as tall as Ravi. Here, Shankar is also tall boy. At the same time, Ravi is also a tall boy. They are compared equally. Therefore, if an adjective compares with as and compares two objects equally are also considered to be positive degree. Next example, Shankar is not so tall as Arun. Here, Shankar is compared with another boy who is the tallest among the 3 boys. It is always negative. Hence, if an adjective compares not so as and in a negative form is also known as positive degree. We use adjectives only in positive degree. Adjectives such as long, deep, rich, brave, wise, heavy and so on. We usually use adjectives of quality in positive degree. We also use simile in positive degree. Okay, wait, you may ask a question, what is simile? Okay, now let's see what is simile. Simile is used in poetry. It is a figure of speech that like one thing to another, usually by using the word like or as. Example, as red as blood, as white as snow, as cute as kitten, as cold as ice. Okay children, now let's do some exercise to see how you understood this class. Now look at these sentences. We are going to identify the positive degree in these sentences. Okay, first one. No other king was as does Solomon. Here we have as and as. So what will you write here? Wise. Yes, good. Next sentence. Apples are not so dash as oranges. Here we have not so as. So what will you write? Here cheap. Okay children. Next move on to next sentence. Here we have not so as. We already seen this in the previous sentence. So the answer is strong. Okay, fourth one. You are as dash is your friend. Here we have as and as. So what will you write here? Clever. Yes, good. Next sentence. Carrots are dash in vitamin A. In this sentence, we don't have anything. So what will you write here? We only write rich. How did you identify it? If a sentence is casual and the adjective does not compass anything, is also considered as positive degree. Okay children? Okay children, now let's take a quick recap. What is positive degree? Positive degree is used to refer one object, person or place without making any comparison. There are some rules to identify positive degree in a sentence. If an adjective in a sentence does not compass anything is known as positive degree. Next one, if an adjective compares with as and as and compares two objects equally are also considered to be positive degree. Next rule, if an adjective compares with not so as and in a negative form is also known as positive degree. We use adjectives only in positive degree. Okay children, thank you.